Garmin Instinct Solar First Look Review, Rugged Outdoor GPS Sports Watch powered by the sun. For many years I have been using Garmin wearables to track my running, cycling, hiking, and other outdoor activities, but I've never tried out one of the Instinct models. That changed a couple of weeks ago when Garmin sent out the new Garmin Instinct Solar, with beta software, for evaluation. After more than a week with the Instinct Solar, I honestly may be a convert to the Instinct line for several reasons. These include long battery life. After years of using wearables, I've come to the realization that long battery life ensures a device stays mounted on my wrist for the long term. 1 or 2 day battery life on a wearable is now unacceptable for my needs. The Instinct Solar boasts battery life ranging from 20 hours in GPS tracking mode to more than 50 days, even offering unlimited in battery saver mode with solar exposure. Rugged design, 100-meter water resistance and mil-STD810 G-shock ratings ensure the Instinct is built to take on anything. It has a fiber-reinforced polymer case and a scratch-resistant display that is set down from the front face. Unique outdoor activities. In addition to a plethora of typical activities like running, cycling, hiking, kayaking, yoga, and many more, the Garmin Instinct supports fishing, tactical, boating, hunting, area calculation, and more outdoor-focused adventures. The Expedition mode supports a multi-day activity with reduced need to charge with track points recorded once an hour by default. Practical display design. A major reason the Garmin Instinct has great battery life is the monochrome display. I've come to love the top right circle, two-window design, that provides essential information at a glance. For example, while fishing it showed my fish count, in heart rate mode it shows you current heart rate, and in compass mode it shows the direction in angles. Reasonable price. The Garmin Instinct Solar starts at $399.99. Considering all that this GPS sports watch has to offer, that is a fair price. Specifications. Display, 23mm diameter, 128 by 128 pixels resolution, monochrome, sunlight visible. Watch materials, fiber-reinforced polymer with silicone band. Water resistance, 10 ATM, 100 meters. Bands. Supports QuickFit 22mm bands. Connectivity and sensors, Bluetooth, ANT+, GPS/GLONASS/Galileo, Garmin Elevate Optical HR, Pulse Ox, Barometric Altimeter, 3-axis compass, accelerometer, thermometer. Battery, rated for 30 hours in GPS training mode or 38 hours when using solar charging. 24 days in smartwatch mode, and 54 days with sufficient solar exposure. In battery saver mode with sufficient solar exposure, Garmin states the Instinct can achieve unlimited battery life. Dimensions, 45 by 45 by 15.3 mm and 53 grams. Hardware. The Garmin Instinct Solar is not a slim and sleek GPS sports watch, as it is focused on providing a rugged device that excels in various environmental conditions for days and weeks. I'm personally a fan of big watches and find that the Instinct Solar works well on my wrist. To be honest, I barely noticed that the Garmin Instinct Solar doesn't have a color display. I've never found colored displays to be an essential element of a GPS sports watch. I just need a display that is easy to read outside with a backlight available when needed, and the Instinct Solar provides exactly that. The part of the display that has swayed me towards favoring the Garmin Instinct Solar is the small circle second display. I find this highlighted area to be useful for providing key information and making it clear what a single press of the GPS button will provide. There are 5 buttons on the Instinct Solar, just like most Garmin GPS sports watches. The top left button toggles the backlight with a press and hold, launching the controls display. The middle left button moves up while the bottom left moves down. A press and hold of the middle left button takes you into the various settings. You can also customize the hotkeys in the settings to make the device optimized for your usage. The top right button, GPS, will take you to your favorite activity with another press launching that activity. While scrolling through widgets, you can also press this button to select that widget and see more detailed data. The bottom right button, Set, serves primarily as the back button. Again, this can also be customized with the hotkey setting. A Garmin Elevate heart rate monitor is centered on the back. The traditional 4-pin Garmin connector is also found on the back for charging the watch. A silicone watch band, matching the color of the watch, is provided. 2 loops are present on the bitter end of the band to keep it securely on your wrist. Like the Garmin Instinct, Garmin's 22mm QuickFit bands are also supported with this watch. There are 4 variations of the Instinct Solar, with various color options. These include Instinct Solar, Graphite, Tidal Blue, Orchid, Sunburst, Flame Red. Instinct Solar, Camo, Graphite Camo and Lichen Camo. Instinct Solar, Tactical Edition, Black and Moss. Instinct Solar, Surf Edition, Pipeline and Cloudbreak. Watch software. To navigate the device, you press the 5 buttons. Moving up and down from the watch face will scroll you through various widgets available: solar intensity, heart rate, my day, notifications, weather, stress, ABC, last run, body battery, and more. The widgets are selected in the settings right on the watch. You can use the Garmin Instinct Solar watch to track running, biking, elliptical, open water or pool swimming, fishing, hunting, MTB, skiing, snowboarding, yoga, rowing, and many more focused exercises. The one sport missing that I would have liked to have seen is golf. There are a large number of settings and customization options available for each type of activity. For example, in the running app you can customize up to 4 data screens and a layout from 1 to 4 fields with timer, distance, pace, speed, heart rate, cadence, temperature, elevation, compass, navigation and other fields. I recommend you spend some quality time customizing everything exactly how you want it and then be ready to tweak things as you perform your activity and find you want to view your data differently. In addition to custom data fields for each activity, you can control alerts, auto pause, lapse, auto scroll, and much more. The experience can be quick and simple using the defaults or as specific as you desire with a bit of time spent customizing the watch data fields and settings. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.